Hi guys, Kingsbridge today. Just going to go and have a look, see what charity shops I can find. Seem to remember there's about half a dozen here, if I look hard enough. Well, there's a cancer research over there, and I think there's Devon ambulance round down there a bit further. Well, thought I'd found another charity shop, but it appears to be shut. Epilepsy awareness. I don't know if it's open or not. Oh, the door's over around there. Oh well, I just bought that in cancer research for £1, so I'm happy. One of my favourite little wooden kits to put together. So we'll go over there in Devon ambulance. Yeah. Closed. Oh well, can't hit everyone. Closed at 3 PM. Oh, I've only just missed it then. Right. Devon ambulance next. Right, nothing caught my eye in the air ambulance. We'll probably go up there in a minute, but I remember there's 2 more charity shops along there. So that's where we'll go. Country Hill Animal Shelter. And I think there's one up on the right. The Cornelius Fund. Right, this is the back room. Books. Oh, got a few toys over there. Oh, there we go. Barbie carriage. I think I just had a message come in then. That's annoying. I usually remember to turn them off. And to be honest, not so much in here. I don't think I've bought anything in this one in the past. Yeah. Okay, I'll try the Cornelius Trust. Right, nothing in the Cornelius Trust, so we will have a look up here. It's a fair walk up there. Nanny is not coming with me. Right, we're at the top. I did walk past an Oxfam halfway up on the other side of the road. I'll catch that on the way back. But I think there's one more further up. Well, I say further up, it's more or less flat from here. Right. Car park there. Yeah, the one I thought was going to be here is disappeared. That one. So back down again now. Yeah. Oh well. Onwards and downwards. Nice clock tower up there. I think that's the cinema there. Yes, King's Cinema, Town Hall. Okay, well we're going down now. Toy shop. What I'm not filming is there's lots of little alleyways with houses down them every few feet. Oh, that one's blocked off. Market Hall. Oh, that's the sort of thing I mean. Houses, all sorts. Oxfam. That's their books shop, and then this one is the other stuff. Oh, no toys there to catch my eye. So, back out again. Yeah, another side alley.
Quite a posh shop and 2 people working.
Another toy shop. Right, down to the bottom now then. Western Backway. Let's have a little peek, just see what's up here. Yeah, maybe not. Too many people looked around, don't want all their faces. Still, nice view of the hill. And another toy shop. So, that was a quick walk up the hill in Kingsbridge and a quick look at the charity shops. And there's a Costa coffee. Right, back down to the harbour. There's Nanny waiting for me. I couldn't do much more filming up there because it looks like it's school's out time and the place is crawling with kids. Oh, that looks interesting. All sailors have beards. It's a requirement. Oh no, has that one got one? It's got a moustache. fun, isn't it? Key Court Care Centre, retirement home. Could be handy. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.